and we start the meeting. Hi everyone, my name is Paul Javan, and we team named Triumph, and let's start talking. Kanat.
Okay, hello everyone again. I'm the current business analyst, product manager of our team, and for this time, I we should report our work for this last 3 weeks. Yes, Baujan, let's start from your progress for this weeks.
Yeah, these 3 weeks was very productive. We finished many features in our app. First of all, in the previous weeks, we made some UI design and make some business logic related with authorization part. But after taking this part, we make the animation logics in the main page to swipe up, swipe down, and this animation by finger gesture. After that, we finished many logics in our application, like match logic with our backender. And after match logic, we make the um, cards logics and by kilometers, by distance, making some search and this one functionality. After that, we connected some tariff API. We considered that if this dating application for some monetization, we make the tariff logics, and after creating some tariff logic, we started the chat logics and to um, make this part one, we use library named Centrifuga and using some WebSockets to make some chat logics between two persons if two person was matched. And about some functions, about some details about server part, Adil, Adil can start. Adil start.
Okay.
Yes, thank you. So, as Bojan said, this week we have did a lot of work on the project. I started writing the chat services last week, and in these weeks I have been creating some models for the chats. And for these weeks, we have very big problem related to the some services for the chat application. So it was decided to use application called Centrifugal. It's some WebSocket for our application, and that this WebSocket we connected to our application to use in the chat. So, and I finished the main page IP and finished matching algorithm and the searching algorithms in these weeks. And the last thing what I have done is the API stress test and some very large, big bug fixing issue. So that's all for
Oh,
this week.
okay, thank you, Adil. Let's. I should start about my work for these 3 weeks. Yes. In week 12, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, I read about more articles about datings, marriage, and starting from this, I think it will be easy. But after that, I come to statistic of mental health in our country, and I saw a lot of statistic about growing up, mental illness like depression, burnout, and stuff like this. So afterward, I started the research about it and come to the statistics that in our country the trend is come to up after these weeks. Oh, after the several years. After this, I added this information in our final report. So I currently, till this time, I write this report, and after that, I add some new features for, well, no, not features, add some addition to design, like for information about the user to be created more complicated. And after what I found about Adel said about the bug in the chat, this were a problem, and the problem were with matching algorithm. Like when you log in and log out, your matching algorithm work like with some kind of problem that you match it, but other user can't see this. So I think it will fixed. So um, after this, for this time, I write the documentation part. I write about 15, 14 pages for this time, and actually, that's all my work for this weeks. And thank you, guys. I think we'll have 19% of our work is done. After uh, some updates from teacher, I think it will be clear. So uh, actually, that's it. I think that's all for today. Have you
So,
any questions?
no question, Kana. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Adil. And I guess it is finish of our report. Goodbye, everyone.
I think what's wrong with you.